Right, number 14. A shipping service restricts the dimension of the boxes. It will ship for a certain type of service. The restriction states that for boxes shaped like a rectangular prism, the sum of the perimeter of the base of the box and the height of the box cannot exceed 130 inches. The perimeter of the base is determined using the width and the length of the box. If a box has a height of 60 inches and its length is 2.5 times the width, which inequality shows the allowable width x in inches of the box. Okay, so the total restriction, the total number cannot go over 130. That's the total. And this is the sum of the perimeter of the base and the height of the box. Okay, so perimeter of the base and the height. And we know the height is 60. We know that. All right, but we don't know the perimeter of the base. So I have to come up with inequality here. Okay, so what we can do, let's just draw this out. Okay, so if we have, so let's just say this is the base. All right, this is the base of the box, a rectangle. Right, and we know here we're trying to solve for the width of the base, which is x. So let's just label that x. And we also know the length of the box is 2.5 times the width. Okay, so if the width is x, then the length has to be 2.5 times that, which is 2.5x. That's the width. Okay, and now we have to think about how do we represent the perimeter of the box, okay, of the base. So the total perimeter, we had to add up all four sides. Okay, so what happens, this is on the left is x, then this side on the right is also x. Okay, and then the bottom 2.5x, the top had to be 2.5x as well. Okay, so now if we add up all four sides, we get 2.5x plus 2.5x is 5x. And then we do plus 2x is gonna be here 5x plus 2x. Okay, one on the left, one on the right, so that's 2x. So we add them up. All together, we should get 7x. Okay, so total perimeter here, we can represent that using 7x. So we can write out inequality. So let's say the perimeter, which is 7x, plus the height, which is 60. And this cannot go over 130. So it has to be less than or equal to 130. Okay, and then we can solve for x from here. We can do minus 60 on both sides. We get 7x is less than or equal to 130 minus 60 is 70. And then to solve for x, we can divide by 7 on both sides. So x is less than or equal to 70 divided by 7, which is 10. Okay, because x is less than or equal to 10. So that should be the restriction on the x value has to be smaller than or equal to 10. And we know at the same time, since it's the width of box, it can be a negative number, right? So we should have another restriction x is greater than 0 because the width of box can be negative. Okay, so the correct answer have to be A. So it'll be 0 less than x less than or equal to 10.